You just don't know what to do. So do you go to like majority like black people clubs or white people clubs? You was just doing that house mom one. So who the nanny now? Your baby daddy? That girl got money now.
Nanny?
Like get in there. Put the whole thing in mouth. Eat that chicken wing, girl. You out here on the prowl. You can get you a new man, Bobbi. Show them you know what to do. You need to learn. Put that chicken wing in your mouth. You the whitest white girl I ever met. Bobbi, eat that chicken. And she nibbling on the end of the damn wing like, I'm finna show you how to do it. You gotta use like a cast iron skillet or something. I'm gonna get you one. I'm finna set you up. Swear to God, Bobbi, she do it so good. We're gonna go get you some lip filler. Yeah, Bobbi, we